Hey everyone, I'm Ron from Coleno, the leading suite app for accounts receivable. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set the Enable Accounting Period window preference in NetSuite. Let's get started. First thing to do is to go in the Setup menu, Accounting, then you look for the Preferences section and you click on Accounting Preferences. On the General subtab, it should be the default one open. You can look for Enable Accounting Period window and you check that box. Now that I've checked it, you can see that I can enter a value in minimum period window size. Here you enter the minimum number of current and future accounting periods to remain unlocked. For example, 2. If you find this video helpful, please like it. You can save the change that you've made, but you need to remember that here for the allow transaction date outside of posting period, NetSuite automatically sets it to disallow. You can reset this preference to 1 or allow. If needed, future locked periods will display a lock icon. Thank you for watching.